Toyota branded.
So this was the hotel that we will be staying for 2 days and 1 night. So it was pretty cool with all this big window. I swear to God, people will see us. This room was included with 2 single bed and 1 queen bed. The room are very spacious and it was very comfy after all for 4 people. And here is just me acting all pretty and cute. Whatever you're doing. Anyway, back to the room. That single bed is the bed that I will be sleeping on, and this is my view. I feel like someone will watch me sleeping. That was pretty scary. It was included with a table, and that was my sister's bed, and then a toilet, and then there's also another mirror if you can see. Yeah, that's just it.
Mistake in disguise, realize take it slow, 'cause I promise I'll be home. I die for your love, make you feel enough. When the going gets too tough, keep you in my eyes. Inside me, my soul for really been scared. Flower in your hair, looking in the moonlight. Only here, baby, better hold me tight. Mistake in disguise, realize not a lie. Take it slow, 'cause I promise I'll be home. Friday night, stuck here even though I try. Tell me I'll be alright, tell me I'll be just fine. Always was a careless type. Emotions, worst part of being human. This empty room, I'm losing you. We're too far gone, so I'll cry to the moon. Drowning here again, asking where I'm going, where do I begin? Haven't seen you since.
I want to show my biggest gratitude for Emina Beauty for kindly sending me their product from their skincare line. So without further ado, let me introduce you to some of their product. So I think I kind of like got some porcelain stick right here. So I was supposed to get only 1 parcel, but instead I got 2 parcels, which means the items in the product are doubleized. So I'm gonna show you all of the product. First of all, I got their t-shirt. It writes Emina best here, and most definitely, as I said, I got 2 of them. Other than that, they also gave me this Emina bright stuff with. They also gave me this aqua infused sleeping mask with vitamin E. Other than that, they also gave me this Miss Pimple spot gel and also Miss Pimple moisturizing gel. And I also got their masks. I got 6 of them. And lastly, I got their Emina Beauty pin. So that was everything I got from Emina Beauty PR package that they sent me. Once again, I would like to deeply thank Emina for sending me all of this amazing product that helped me throughout my acne journey. If you're interested in any of this product, I will be linking everything down in the description below, so don't forget to check it out.
Times they don't last, won't have to go too fast. Afraid that I don't got the time to tell you how it feels. Head over my heels for you. You're my muse. I'm sure I want to build a castle that lasts for ages. You don't have to say it. Your hand in mine brings a promise of better days. Keep me safe. So love me when I am the toughest to love. When I come up short, it makes me less than enough. So love me when I am the toughest to love, but you don't have to stay here if it all gets too much. When I feel worn out and push is always there to help me through. She know what to do, what to do. When you're on my side,